You are gonna love the way it is looking in there right now. I'm gonna flip this around. We're gonna give it to Matt. Let's see what's happening inside the bus.
Let's get jiggy with it, everybody. Come on in, come on in. First of all, welcome. Well, look at this. If you saw our first bus build, this doesn't look anything like that. All right, we've been putting together our kitchen area, which we're really excited about.
Hold on, let me get you in 0.5 mode.
Now, the kitchen is nowhere near perfect, but for Grace and I, just looking at different cabinets, hang on.
Yeah, we literally didn't look up a single how-to.
We looked at some cabinets at Lowe's and like the cabinets in our apartment, and then we just kind of brainstormed. This is what we came up with. We got a drawer. Also, Grace, great job on the knobs here.
Thank you.
These are stuck a little bit. We're going to put some soap on, no worries. We got our junk drawer. Bam.
Already full of random.
We got our other drawer here. Big, deep drawer. We've got our pull-out fridge, which we left space for a taller fridge. Coming over here. Wait. Oh, we got this push knob. Hey. Little bit jammed, no problem. We've got this. This is the best drawer we put together. Some people are asking, why did you put your Craig jig on the inside? That's just what we did. We're going to cover it up. It's going to be fine. It's functional. Watch this.
Woo!
Another drawer, still working on the progress there. This didn't turn out perfect. We might tweak it, but garbage can, dog food, and garbage here. We have our sink area. Open that up. We're going to be catching our gray water here, water pump. I mean, we're going to be able to store a ton of stuff down there. Close that up. That's kind of like a little custom thing. You got to really push it just right. We have our oven. The propane's not on, but we're able to cook on the inside and on 3 burners on top. Bam. And then under here, really excited about this. I ran a second propane line from our 20-pound propane tank in the back of the bus. This isn't the right hookup here, but that's going to be able to hook up to our Mr. Heater for when it gets cold outside. So we'll just be able to pop that open, hook it in, heat up the bus.
Nice, or cook some cookies.
We have our lounge area. I'm really liking how everything's coming together in here.
This is going to be, spoiler alert, mustard yellow.
And then back here, we're going to be working on our bed area tomorrow, but we did get our lights in. I noticed I needed to tighten these a little bit. But check that out, our little reading lamps, which are adjustable to go up. Let's say you're having a house party. Come on over. Let's say you want to read, no problem. Let's say you want to tilt that thing. Maybe it does. Yeah, oh yeah, it tilts. There you go. That's what we've been working on.
And it's looking
good.
Fabulous. Tomorrow, bed area and wallpaper.